In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add product variations, specifically color and size options, in Ecwid. Managing variations is an excellent way to save time and maintain an organized product list in your store. Plus, it offers your customers a more seamless shopping experience. So let's dive in and walk through the process together. Firstly, you'll want to log into your Ecwid account and navigate to your control panel. Within this dashboard, you're able to manage everything about your shop from inventory, orders, marketing, and more. Once you're in the control panel, your first stop will be the products section. In this area, you'll see a list of all the products you have. Look for the product to which you wish to add variations and click on Edit Product. This will open up the product details page where you can make adjustments. Once in the product editor view, you're going to need to find the Options tab. This tab is crucial as it contains settings that allow you to add options such as size and color to your products. This feature is particularly useful for fashion retailers or any businesses that offer customizable goods. After clicking on the Options tab, the next step is to navigate to the Variations option. This is where you're going to set up how different product versions will display. Adding variations allows you to define specific characteristics for each product option, such as varying prices or unique images for each type. To begin adding variations, click on the Variations button. Here you'll lay out the options your product will provide. For example, if you're selling a t-shirt, you might want to include options for different sizes such as small, medium, and large. You might also want to add color variations like red, blue, or green. It's important to be thorough here, as these variations will make it easier for customers to find exactly what they're looking for without having to search through multiple product listings. Once you've added each of the desired options, take a moment to review the appearance and pricing of each variation. Make sure everything is accurate, as this is how your customers will see and select their preferred version of the product. If applicable, you can also upload images for each variation to ensure customers know exactly what to expect. After confirming that all information is correctly entered and displayed as you wish, save your changes. Congratulations, you've successfully added color and size product variations to your Ecwid store. This streamlined method enhances your store's professionalism and usability, making it more attractive and easy for customers to navigate. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you found this guide helpful.